If I had to start learning artificial intelligence all over again in 2025, I'd do things completely differently. Because the truth is, 99% of people learning AI are wasting their time. They're watching random tutorials, copying code they don't understand, and hoping one day they'll figure it out. But in 2025, AI is evolving too fast for that. The people who will dominate this space aren't the smartest, they are the ones who know how to learn efficiently. So in this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how I learn AI from scratch in 2025, step by step, from zero experience to actually building real AI projects that make money, impress employers, or help you start your own business. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos that simplify money, tech, and personal growth so you can get ahead in today's digital world. If that sounds like you, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Step 1. Build the foundation. The first thing I'd do. Forget AI for a second. Start with the fundamentals of programming because AI is built on logic, not magic. You can't run before you learn how to walk. Learn Python. It's the universal language of AI. Start with basics, variables, loops, lists, and functions. Use free platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Coursera, or YouTube tutorials from channels like Tech with Tim or Programming with Mach. Spend 2 to 3 weeks just coding small projects, a calculator, a password generator, or a simple chatbot. The goal is to get comfortable with problem solving. Step 2. Understand the math, but don't overcomplicate it. Next comes the scary part, the math. Don't panic. You don't need to become a mathematician, but you do need to understand the logic behind how AI thinks. Learn the basics of linear algebra, vectors and matrices, probability and statistics, mean, variance, probability, distribution, simple calculus, concepts, derivatives, gradients. You can learn these with Khan Academy or 3 Blue 1 Brown S. Visual videos, they make the math intuitive, not boring. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude Deep, or Copilot can help you understand math concepts instantly, so use them as study partners. Step 3. Learn machine learning. Now we get to the fun part, machine learning. This is where AI starts to make sense. Start with supervised learning models that learn from labeled data. Play with algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and random forests. Then move to unsupervised learning, clustering, k-means, and dimensionality reduction. Use scikit-learn, it's beginner-friendly and powerful. The best way to learn is to build small projects like predicting house prices, spam detection, or stock trends. Once you've done a few of these, you'll start seeing patterns in how models learn. That's when you'll feel like you're actually getting it. Step 4. Learn deep learning. When you're comfortable with ML, move into deep learning. This is where you deal with neural networks, the backbone of ChatGPT, image recognition, and self-driving cars. Start with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Learn how a neural network works, layers, activation functions, and backpropagation. Then experiment with image classification using text generation using RNNs or transformers, AI chatbots using APIs by 2025. You don't even need a supercomputer to train models. You can use Google Colab for free GPU access. Step 5. Focus on real projects. Here's where most people fail. They learn theory forever and never apply it. Don't do that. Start building real-world AI projects that solve actual problems. Examples: a personal finance tracker that predicts spending habits, a YouTube title generator like this one. Using GPT APIs, a resume screening AI for HR, a stock analysis dashboard. Upload your projects to GitHub and post them on LinkedIn or X Twitter. It builds your portfolio and attracts opportunities. Remember, recruiters don't care about your degree, they care about your proof of skill. Step 6. Learn AI tools and APIs. AI in 2025 isn't just about coding it, it's about knowing how to use AI tools smartly. Learn to use OpenAI, API ChatGPT, GPT for Hugging Face, for pre-trained models, LangChain for building AI agents, Midjourney or Runway, ML for creative AI. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just know how to use these tools to build real solutions. That's how people are launching entire AI startups with almost no code. Step 7. Learn the business of AI. If you want to turn AI into income, you need to learn how to monetize it. Some options: freelancing, build AI automations or chatbots for small businesses. Content creation, teach AI skills on YouTube or TikTok. AI startups, solve niche problems using pre-built models. Consulting, help companies integrate AI into their workflows. You don't need to be an AI genius, you just need to understand how AI creates value. Final step, keep learning. AI changes every month, so the best learners are those who stay curious. Follow newsletters like the Rundown AI, YouTube channels like 2-Minute Papers or Matt Wolf, and experiment weekly with new tools. If you commit just 1 hour a day for 6 months, you'll know more than 90% of people talking about AI right now. So that's exactly how I learn AI in 2025, from zero to creating real projects that make money. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment AI 2025 below so I know you're serious about mastering the future. And remember, the future isn't waiting for anyone. Those who learn AI today will be the ones leading the world tomorrow. Watch next. How rich people use AI to make money in 2025. Subscribe for more weekly videos on wealth, AI, and investing.